So I've been a technician since I was 16. I saw my skills that I had, and being able to move into a management role and having technical experience really helps with the job. We don't hire entry-level positions. We hire, either master techs in training or store managers or area directors in training. We encourage all of our techs to have ASC certifications, and that's why we offer those to our technicians. I can't speak for other companies, but I know that's why a lot of techs choose to come to Pep Boys. That's the goal of my job right now, is to be mentoring my store managers that I lead currently. So leadership within the building is motivating our team members, giving them the support they need to do the jobs that they have to do. We all know we have a job to do, but when we do it together, it makes everybody's lives easier. I love the people I work with. I love the people I work for. It's just a great team environment. There's tons of support, everywhere you look.